And I am back with a Target haul, part 2, because I have no self-control. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It is Kristen, aka the Thrifty Raven. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my old subscribers. If you're new here and you have never seen any of my videos before, I'm basically focusing on DIY projects, any sort of art projects, and I really am not crazy about the term crafting, although I suppose that's what I'm doing. It just makes me picture like a dingy church basement full of crocheted tissue box covers, and that's just not what I'm on. So I went back to the Target dollar spot. I was actually on the lookout for a specific item that I did not get in my last haul, and that was that window frame that I saw on Bargain Bethany's channel, and I was super obsessed with, and it became like a mission for me to find that window frame. And so I went to Target in a couple different spots and ended up just grabbing a couple little things that I didn't pick up the first time that I figured I might as well pick up while I was there. Okay, so the first thing that I got were these little wood risers, and I got 2 natural and 1 white. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet. I do have a sort of an idea as to what I might do with them. They're so cute though, like just like little decorative risers, even if you just put like little bowls or something on them at a party. You know, I don't have a lot of parties, but I could put things on risers, so sort of farmhousey. I like the fact that it's white and they didn't make it some crazy fall color that I'm just gonna end up painting white anyway. So I do appreciate that. Thank you very much, Target. Are these 2 eucalyptus boxwood sprigs. I mean, anybody worth their weight in crafting gold knows that you can never have too much greenery, and you can never have too much eucalyptus and boxwood because you can stick that in just about anything and nobody really knows what it is. If you're outside of like the decorating or crafting world, you probably have never heard of boxwood before, unless you work in the plant world, in which case I'm sure you have. I got one of these foam blocks. I know I can get these at Dollar Tree, but I was there, it was there. It was $1, okay. So this little banner, it says apples, pumpkins, and corn maze, and it's on like a wood grain. Apples is in red, pumpkins is in orange, and corn maze is in yellow. I figure there's a lot of letter choices in here, so even if I don't end up using it for fall, I can use it for a different project, just utilizing the letters, either tracing them out in white, who knows, the possibilities are endless. I got 2 of these little white burlap ribbons. I have a lot of burlap ribbons, but I do not have white. They are usually like a neutral natural color, and I also have one in gray and white buffalo check, which you saw me wrap my floral wreath in. The Ravenclaw Inn. Guys, you know I am a sucker for ravens. I mean, I had to, right? Ravenclaw Inn. Thumbnail. I got 2 shutters. I think I'm gonna do, I got 2 shutters. I'm gonna do something on my wall with both of these shutters, because in between them, you ready for this? I found the window, I found the window, I found the window. I just got 1. They only had 1, or I probably would have gotten 2. It's just so cute. Hello, hi. I think it's plastic, which is actually better because, as you may have noticed in my previous videos, I have cats, and cats are quite destructive, in case you were wondering. So guys, I'm sorry to say that is it for my second Target haul. I think I picked up more, but you know, sometimes you get like Target amnesia and you walk out and then you don't remember what you got until you stumble across it in a bag like 3 months later. Just me. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm not really sure how the notification thing works, and I think they recently changed it, but if you want to hit the notification bell and know when I upload videos, hit the notification bell. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my old subscribers. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!